Hi, welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. Today I'm going to be doing a review and demo on the Melanin Haircare by Naptro85, and I'm going to be pairing it with the Wetline Xtreme, and I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Honey as my leave-in. I have already sectioned my hair into 4 sections, so let's get started. First, you're going to spray your hair with warm water. Next, you're going to add your leave-in conditioner. I'm using Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. It's my favorite leave-in conditioner. I think it gives you so much moisture. It's kind of sticky, but I really like it. I'm smoothing the product through my hair and raking it through, trying to detangle. Please remember to try to be as gentle as possible. Next, I'm going to add the Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Style Cream. I just got this cream off her website, and I think it is absolutely amazing. Like, I'm putting it up there with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which is like my favorite cream. I think it is just great. It costs $16.99, I believe, and you get 16 ounces, which $16.99 sounds like a lot, but you usually get around 8 ounces for that, around that same price, which is this is just a much better deal, and this product is, I think it's incredible. Now I'm going to detangle using my wide tooth comb. I am trying to be as gentle as possible. When I finish detangling, I'm going to twist my hair up and move on to the next section, and I'm going to repeat that process for my whole head. Once I'm done applying the styling cream, I am going to start applying my gel, and I'm using the Wetline Xtreme gel. It is one of my top favorite gels. I first heard about it from Happy Girl. She is a natural hair YouTuber. You guys should definitely check out her channel. Wetline Xtreme is amazing. It only costs $3 for this huge jar, and it is just a great gel. I can get 7 days out of a wash and go with this gel. I applied a lot of this gel. I am raking and smoothing over and over again until I don't see any frizz, and adding as much as I need to. I'm also using a wide tooth comb to detangle while I have the gel in my hair. And then when I finish detangling, I add a little bit more gel. This is how I like my hair to look after I have applied my gel. Okay, so I finished the wash and go. I'm going to come back probably tomorrow when it's dry and show you the results. Bye. This is what my hair was looking like on day 3. I still didn't have a lot of frizz. My hair was really shiny and my curls were very defined. I wish I had a little more volume on day 3, but I loved how defined my curls were.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
This is what my hair was looking like on day 5. I started to get some volume. I was really feeling myself.
Yeah, what you know about me? What you know about me?
This combo was amazing, and I will definitely be using all of these products again.